is shaking things up with its sleek new One UI 8 update. And it's not just a changed design, but more than that. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of the latest tech news. Samsung is rolling out the One UI 8 across a wide range of Galaxy smartphones and tablets. The update puts artificial intelligence at the heart of the user experience, transforming everything from productivity to photography. If you're holding a recent Galaxy device, chances are you're in luck. Leading the pack are the brand new Galaxy S25 series, including the S25, S25 Plus, S25 Ultra, and S25 Edge. Last year's S24 lineup isn't far behind either because S24, S24 Plus, S24 Ultra, and S24 FE is also getting the same premium treatment. And Samsung isn't leaving its foldable fans behind. The Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6 are also eligible, bringing AI-enhanced multitasking and camera upgrades to the cutting edge of foldable tech. Even mid-range users aren't being left, with phones like the Galaxy A56, A36, and A35 joining the One UI 8 party. But what will we get with One UI 8? Think smarter battery, a cleaner design across system apps, and upgraded multitasking capabilities that make switching between split screen and pop-up views feel like magic. And thanks to Samsung's AI push, expect your phone to get better at getting your needs, adjusting settings, and even snapping the perfect photo. This upgrade is more than just an update. Samsung is proving that top-tier software support isn't just for flagships anymore. Whether you're a power user with a foldable or just using a budget-friendly Galaxy A series, One UI 8 is designed to make your device feel smarter, smoother, and more futuristic than ever. So, when are you updating? Comment down below, hit that like button, and subscribe to GadInsider. Don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.